Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the range and scale. Choose endpoints like 0 to 10 or negative to positive. Once chosen, draw a straight horizontal line and mark 0 clearly. Then divide the space into equal intervals. Use 1, 0, 5, or 2 units depending on precision required. Make sure tick marks are evenly spaced. Use a ruler for accuracy. Label the endpoints and a few intermediate numbers, so you and your viewer always know the scale while you proceed to place. Now plot numbers. Find each value on the scale and place a clear dot or arrow. For decimals, count smaller divisions, for example 0. 5 will be halfway between 0 and 1. Once done, demonstrate operations visually, move right for addition and left for subtraction, showing each step slowly. Use colors or labels to track multiple numbers. To compare, point out that any number left of another is smaller and any number to the right is larger, which makes inequalities intuitive. Finish by labeling key points and drawing arrows at ends to indicate continuation when needed. Once done, add color or different shapes to distinguish fractions, negatives, or repeated steps so viewers follow complex examples. Wrap up by summarizing how movement shows operations and position shows order. If numbers seem misplaced, stop and recheck your scale. Unequal intervals cause errors, so measure a couple ticks with a ruler, correct spacing, and relabel. That single check fixes most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.